Ja, warte mal. Wir müssen... Dorfige. Ecke andere Richtung. So, Mann, wird das nix sehen. Da geht's zu den Slums. Pass auf. Rechts herum. Alter, bis haben wir dieser große. Ja, C, fix, geh weg da. Ja, sag mal, Andrew, haus mal um. Oh. Sind's fertig? Tatsächlich. Ja, der Mission. Ob links oder rechts, bleibt sich gleich. Da müssen wir durch. 3 Stück, hä? Ja gut, sind ja gut 3. Scheiße, da nur noch. Und da bleiben gerade noch 2. Das war's. Ja, dann haben wir jetzt freie Bahn, oder? Da hinten. Ja, um Gottes Willen, schön wie viele sind. Pass auf. Eine Falle. Boah, ruhig bleiben. Die müssen wir gezielt erschalten. Ja, da mal die Kleine da, ha? Geh weg da. Geh heim. Wer lebt noch? Nicht schon. Noch, geh. Wird nimmer. Nein. Und jetzt haben wir Stufe 24. Der trifft ja ganz gut. Pass auf, was möchte er? Möchte er das da? Heuschreckendrüsen. Das war's schon. Und eine neue Stufe. Ab Stufe 25. Aha. Ja gut. Ja, pass auf. Zuletzt haben wir, wo wir investiert, zuletzt haben wir das gehabt. Gehen wir wieder runter. Erhöht die Chance auf Vergiftung von Gegnern durch Stoß um 25%. Upgrade von Rollen. Was nehmen wir? Nimm das doch. Kritische Treffer. Ich glaube, ein kritischer Treffer ist immer gut. Ja, geh zu. Sonst Mann, ich komme nicht mehr in die Slums. Okay Leute, jetzt haben wir im Grunde gerade noch 2 Sachen zum Erledigen in den Slums. Pass auf, der Buchmacher und der Anton Rogue. Pass auf, rechts halten. Der depperte Anton Rogue. Und die depperten Wachposten. Haus zusammen! Du Hampelmann, geh weg da! Scheiße! Davon sind ja so viel! Da schon hin! Ja gut, hilft nicht! Es hilft eh nicht! Deckung! Einer fliegt gleich. Oder mehrere. Der Andrew, ich glaube, den habe ich erledigt. Anton Rogue. Das ist mal nicht verkehrt. Geh weg da. Wir müssen da um mich. Weg das. Ein bisschen kürzer. Passt, oder? Na, passt nicht. Da müssen wir mal, Kumpel. Nein, nicht, so mal. Ich renne ja rum wie ein Damischer. Denk dir, da sind wir. Anton Rogue, er hat mal nicht lang mit den Aufgaben.
Mr. Mancer, the sight of your face has started to give me agita.
Goods have been delivered.
I love a bearer of good news. Don't forget to collect your pay. One well earned.
Ja gut, hau mal ab.
I gotta go.
Then go.
Nicht, da ist ihm noch was einfällt. Okay, jetzt gehen wir gerade noch zur Arena, zum Buchmacher. Und dann kann man eigentlich wieder zurückfliegen, oder? Nach Noctis. Wie komme ich noch um? Da rundum gehen. Rechts herum. Wie so oft. Wer stört? Na, sieh da vorne. Pass auf. Komm mal gleich. Alter, wie die fliegen. Was ist das? Jetzt haben wir da, pass auf, da die Kneipen. Da bin ich mal gespannt. Ja, wie schaut denn aus? Wer ist der Buchmacher? Ich wahrscheinlich nicht. Ist das? Der Sam Rogue.
Hey there, new blood. What can I do you for?
Kein Buchmacher. Wer dieser Omat? Hier, das da.
Hey there.
Hey, they're back. What can I do you for?
Informationen über die Gruppierungen. Brauche ich die?
I'm looking for a little info on the Black Dahlia gang.
Yeah, looking for trouble too? 'Cause that's all they're good for. Bunch of broads banging around wreaking havoc. Name themselves after some supposed murder back on Earth. I'm sure that says something. Who the hell knows though? What else is there to say? The gang's been around for years now. They weren't all that mean in the beginning, just a couple of young girls sticking together in order to survive. But as time went on, those pretty girls grew up to become women, or rather, tigers. And they decided to challenge Anton Rogue. And fuck me if they ain't created a war in the process. Just what we needed here, too. More damn blood running the streets. Vori kill one broad, broads castrate 3 Vori, then lay it on their chest like a damn necktie. Nutty. That's what it is.
Ich schätze mal, das ist nicht der Buchmacher.
Hey,
Wer?
over here. Please. I need to talk.
Er?
Hey, the Mancer's back. Hell do you want? I got wind of a little wind turbine trafficking thing being run by the Vori. Ring a bell? Shit. Knew there was more to it than this goddamn serum. Yeah, I know about it. But before you get all pissed off, Mancer, I'm not in charge, alright? The boss hired a whole bunch of people who specialize in this type of looting. I think he was hoping to stabilize the city. Fuck, those guys are out of control now. They make tons of serum, while us little guys make none, and now, the little operation's threatened to shut down the whole goddamn city. Obviously they were gonna get caught eventually, morons. Listen, if you want to beat him or kill him or whatever, it helps us out. The boss isn't quite satisfied with their services. Then who's the one in charge? This guy knows how to keep a low profile, but he knows that if he shows his face around here, we're gonna teach him a lesson. Not low enough for me not to find him. How'd you find Noctis? Not like it's on a map. Just like everyone else here. A smuggler got us in. And why wouldn't we? Ain't everyone welcome in Noctis? Total opposite of a fear. We just blended in with the crowd escaping that shithole city. And the rest is the present. And damn if I don't love this place. So much opportunity. A breath of fresh air unlike the stale bullshit of Ophir. A lot of serum to be made here. Not as much corruption, for sure, but we're working on that.
Hey,
Wer? Ja, da hinten.
please. I need to talk to you.
Aha. Ist das der Buchmacher? Da geht der nicht. Ja, warte mal. Jetzt mehr da.
About what?
You don't know me, and I want to keep it that way. But I'll tell you,
I'm with the opposition, and I know you're a wanted man too. ASC's hunting you. Heard you're quite the traveler. Keeping that in mind, my cell chief thinks we might be able to scratch each other's backs a little, considering we have the same enemies. He's got a deal for you. He'll be hiding in the back of the Curiosities, waiting for you.
All right. Sure.
Was die Untergrundzeitung? Die ist auch noch. Öffnen. Was haben wir da? Pass auf, räumen wir den Schmidt aus. 2 Serum, mehr nicht. Eine magere Ausbeute. Was war sie?
Hey, officer. Should I be worried about your visit?
If I was still an officer, maybe. I'm as much on the run as you are now.
Maybe I should start calling you something else then. What's your name?
Zachariah.
A pleasure, Zachariah. How can I help you?
Okay, überzeugt, die weiß nix. Das ist der Boss. Er muss sich ein bisschen gedulden, gell? Gutes Metall. Ja, das freut mich. Hat noch was? Nicht, gell?
Hi. Hello there, Mr. Mancer. Good to see you.
How have you been coping with the ASC's rise to power?
It's not me I'm worried about. You have no idea the number of our people who've been arrested, tortured, killed. But all of Victor's brutality is starting to backfire. The people are getting fed up. They're joining us in droves. Problem is, it's not easy to organize everyone. Especially when we don't know who the ASC spies are and aren't. But we still need to get the truth out to the people. It's the reason our publications are so important. It's just one voice of reason, standing up against the relentless lies and propaganda the regime's spreading. It's... I'm sorry, I'm sure I'm just preaching to the choir.
I heard you thought we might be able to help each other.
You heard right. Me and my group publish the real news, so people get to hear what's really going on past the propaganda. Problem is, we're having trouble getting reliable information. As you can imagine, we're being hunted too, which makes it harder to meet up with our informers, a lot of whom are turning up dead. Rumor is the army's reducing its number of troops, but it's just a rumor for now.
I could probably talk to my former captain to verify it. That all you're looking for?
No. We also know that we lost the war to Aurora, but don't have any details about it. Not a single soldier even came back from the front. We want to know what happened. How'd we lose?
Dandolo's probably heard and probably has a better political perspective and understanding of it than anyone else I'd know. That it?
No. One last thing. We heard about a rebellion in a prison camp a while back. But it wasn't the prisoners who rose up. It was the mutants working there. Heard a lot escaped.
And do you want to know details? Sure. For that, I can go right to the source. Mutants have settled down in a place I know. I'll see if I can get some answers for you. I'll be back when I find them.
It would be a big help. Looks like I wasn't wrong in asking you. Be careful out there.
Ja, braucht der werte Herr Informationen. Befrage einen Mutanten zur Flucht aus Lager 19. Mein Gott, das heißt ja, ich muss da nochmal rumtigern. Scheiße. Aber das machen wir jetzt beim nächsten Mal. Jetzt werden wir mal zurückfliegen zum Dandolo.